Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make a pizza wrap. Now these are my tortillas. You can use the skinny tortillas or the garlic tortillas. I just do 1/4 cup of cheese. This is how I make them even at the market, okay? And then what I do is, you can add a little bit more cheese if you want to. You don't have to. What I do is I put sauce in the middle like this, okay? And then I do a little bit of bacon bits. And then I take turkey pepperoni and I line it up on here. And if you guys have a panini press or a Dash Express, or you could just put this in a skillet, and if you wait for the cheese to melt in the skillet, you cover it up and you wait for the cheese to melt, you can roll it up and you'll have a nice crispy wrap. What I'm gonna do right now is roll it up, and I'm gonna put it in my Dash Express because I feel like most of my customers have a gadget like this, okay? I'm just gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna let it get crispy on both sides. And then when it's done being crispy and the cheese is melted on the inside, it's ready to eat, okay? You can dip it in ranch dressing if you like. What I love to do for ranch dressing is just use Greek yogurt and then use this Colonel Seasons ranch dressing, and I just put this in the Greek yogurt to taste. And then I have a healthy protein ranch dressing instead of ranch dressing that's made with soybean oil. Okay guys, so there's just another little tidbit for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, be sure to go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and look up recipes, listen to testimonies, email us about any questions you have. We try to answer everybody that messages us. Thank you so much. God bless you. And there's my crispy wrap. And I just took my gloves off. Now I gotta put them back on. Okay.